Hello, Bacho. Let's see the question. Here, the question is saying that cleavage is a unique form of mitotic cell division in which. Okay, so here the question is regarding the cleavage. Fine. Now, here we are provided with four different options. First one is there is no growth of cells. No spindle develops to guide the cells. Option C is saying the nucleus does not participate, and the option D is the plasma membrane of the daughter cells do not separate. Fine. So, in order to understand this question, first of all, what we have to know, we have to first of all know the key concept that we will be using in this question. Okay. So, अगर हम बात करें key concept की, so in this question, the key concept will be cleavage. Okay. Now, what we understand by cleavage? जब भी हम बात करते हैं cleavage की, so we can say cleavage is a special type of mitotic cell division. Fine. So, what it is? It is a specialized mitotic cell division. Fine. ये हो जाता है एक specialized mitotic cell division. Okay. इसमें होता क्या है अगर हम ये जान ले that what happens during cleavage. So during this cleavage what is happening, we have the zygote. Okay, the zygote is basically getting divided in order to produce the embryo. Okay, so during this cleavage the zygote is getting converted into embryo. Now we have to understand what is zygote. Okay, so when we talk about zygote, we know that zygote is a uninucleated cell consisting of a single nucleus in the center. Fine. Now, if we talk about the embryo, the size of the embryo will be similar as that of the zygote, but here we will have the large number of cells that are present. Okay, so many cells as well as many nucleus will be present in case of the embryo. Okay, so every cell will have the nucleus present inside it. Okay, so in simple terms, what we can say, this embryo is a mass of undifferentiated cell. Okay, now if we have to differentiate between a zygote and the embryo, हम इन दोनों के बीच में डिफरेंशिएशन कैसे कर पाएंगे? इन दोनों में एग्जैक्टली डिफरेंस होता क्या है? सबसे पहला जो डिफरेंस ये है इन केस ऑफ एम्ब्रॉय दैट हेयर न्यूक्लियर डिवीजन ऑकर्स. ओके, तो यहाँ पे न्यूक्लियर डिवीजन होता है, दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव a large number of nucleus that is present in embryo and that is not present in zygote, because zygote में हमारे पास सिर्फ एक ही न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट है. सेकेंड जो डिफरेंस होगा यहाँ पे, दैट इन केस ऑफ एम्ब्रॉय द साइटोप्लाज्म आल्सो डिवाइड्स. ओके, सो यहाँ पे साइटोप्लाज्म में भी डिवीजन हो रहा है, साइटोप्लाज्म इज आल्सो गेटिंग डिवाइडेड. The third one here is that the number of cell increases. Okay, so embryo में क्या हो रहा है? The number of cell is increasing. We have a large number of cells that is present in the embryo. But अगर हम बात करें zygote की, यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही cell present है and only one nucleus is present. And अगर हम इन दोनों को differentiate करें depending on the size, then we can say in case of embryo the cell size will not increase. तो यहाँ पे cell size is not getting increased. Okay, cell size is not increasing, but यहाँ पे nuclear division हो रहा है and cytoplasm division भी हो रहा है. Fine. अगर हम बात करें in case of a normal mitotic cycle, एक normal mitotic division में क्या होता है? अगर हम बात करें mitosis के यहाँ पे, so we can say mitosis में क्या होता है? अगर हमारे पास एक सेल यहाँ पे है, तो बिफोर गेटिंग इनटू द सेल डिवीजन साइकिल, ये जो सेल हो जाता है वो अपना साइज इंक्रीज कर लेता है और उसके पास जो डीएनए है वो डबल अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट होता है. ओके, सो यहाँ पर डीएनए डुप्लीकेशन भी हो जाता है और सेल अपना साइज भी इंक्रीज कर लेता है. नाउ इट विल अंडरगो द प्रोसेस ऑफ कैरियोकाइनेसिस. कैरियोकाइनेसिस में क्या हो जाता है? Division of the nucleus will take place. Now two nucleus will be there and after this karyokinesis the cell will divide in order to produce the two different daughter cells. Fine. So हमने देखा in case of a simple mitotic cycle यहाँ पे cell size increase हो रहा है, but अगर हम बात करें cleavage की, which is a specialized type of mitotic cell division, यहाँ पे जो size है both in case of zygote as well as an embryo, यहाँ पे जो size है it is same. The size is not getting differed. Okay, चलिए options देख लेते हैं. The first option here is there is no growth of cell. Absolutely correct, because यहाँ पे जो cell size है, it is not getting increased. That's why this is the correct answer here. Now, if we talk about option B, it is saying that no spindle develops to guide the cell. मतलब यहाँ पे spindle fiber formation नहीं होता. अगर spindle fiber development नहीं होगा, then nucleus divide नहीं होगा. तो ये option हमारा गलत हो गया. If we talk about option C, it is saying that the nucleus does not participate, but here we can say that nucleus is getting participate. तो ये option भी गलत हो गया. If we look at the last option here, it is saying that the plasma membrane of the daughter cells do not separate. So जो plasma membrane है वो separate नहीं हो रहा, but here we can see that cytoplasm division हो रहा है, and that is the reason हर एक daughter cell में एक अपना खुद का plasma membrane develop हो रहा है. Again, it is the incorrect option. So from all these, what we have concluded? We have concluded that the correct answer here will be option A, that is, there is no growth of cell is taking place during the cleavage. So जब cleavage हो रहा है, at that point there is no growth of cell. That is why the size of the cell will be same in case of both the zygote and the embryo. So final answer will be option A. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.